यह फंड एक तरीके से पिता के द्वारा दिया गया बेटे को सहयोग जैसा है।
जो भी इन्होंने किया है आने वाले छात्राओं को बहुत इससे मदद मिलने वाली है।
Anything do research, you need a fund. So I feel that scheme is very helpful for our research to get a better research.
The two-tier system that they have employed with zero to low interest that is there, that would help everybody eventually, and hopefully we can achieve the 2047 Viksit Bharat goal that is there more smoothly, I'd say.
It can be big generational jump for us.
This will make a very big impact globally.
It is the time for India to move with not just a slow speed but very fast speed.
अनुसंधान नेशनल रिसर्च फाउंडेशन के साथ मिलकर रिसर्च को आगे बढ़ाने का संकल्प भी लिया गया। हम देश के एजुकेशन सिस्टम को 21वीं सदी की जरूरतों के मुताबिक आधुनिक बना रहे हैं।
रिसर्च करना आसान है, लेकिन उस रिसर्च को रियलिटी बनाना वो तब होता है जब फंडिंग मिले, सपोर्ट मिले और सिस्टम का ट्रस्ट मिले। इन्हीं प्रॉब्लम्स को टैकल करने के लिए लॉन्च हुआ है रिसर्च डेवलपमेंट एंड इनोवेशन स्कीम, जिसमें सरकार देगी 1 लाख करोड़ का बूस्ट टू स्टूडेंट्स, स्टार्टअप्स एंड डीप टेक इनोवेटर्स। सो वी हिट द ग्राउंड एंड आस्क स्टूडेंट्स, अगर उन्हें फंडिंग, सपोर्ट और प्लेटफॉर्म सब कुछ मिले तो वो क्या बदलना चाहेंगे? सो लेट्स गो एंड लिसन टू द फ्यूचर इनोवेटर्स ऑफ इंडिया।
सबसे पहले तो हम प्रधानमंत्री का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहेंगे कि ऐसी मुहिम स्टार्ट की, और जो भी इन्होंने किया है आने वाले छात्राओं को बहुत इससे मदद मिलने वाली है।
किसी भी आइडिया को सर प्रॉफिटेबल होने तक हैंड होल्डिंग की आवश्यकता होती है। यह फंड एक तरीके से पिता के द्वारा दिया गया बेटे को सहयोग जैसा है। यह अवश्य बहुत ही इसका मैं तारीफ़ करूँगा कि हर स्टार्टअप के पास होना चाहिए जिसके पास एक अच्छी आइडिया है।
ये जो फंडिंग है, एक स्टार्टअप को अगर मिलता है तो हम जैसे लोगों को एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिल जाता है ताकि हम अपने आइडियाज़ को आगे लेके जा सकें। समटाइम हमें हमारे पास अपॉर्चुनिटी है, हमारे पास आइडियाज़ हैं, लेकिन हमारे पास कोई प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं है। तो फंडिंग विल हेल्प अस इनडायरेक्टली कि हम अपने आइडियाज़ को बेटर तरीके से रिप्रेजेंट कर सकें और कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकें AI फील्ड में और फिर किसी भी फील्ड में हम आगे अपना आइडियाज़ को दिखा सकें।
I really feel grateful that our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji was in favor of it and they approved it. This Corpus fund that they have approved, that the amount is to be around 1 lakh crore. So that is going to be a big boost for this private sector. So they can initially implement on the ideas. Okay, they can find people, they can attract them to work on these things. They can interact with people, take feedbacks from them. So accordingly, it can be a big generational jump for us.
R&D की जो क्षेत्र है उसमें और ज़्यादा आगे बढ़ोतरी हो सकती है। इस तरह की फंडिंग का ज़्यादा स्कोप है। हमारा जो R&D का क्षेत्र है वो दूसरे देशों से कम्पीट करने के लेवल में ला सकता है, तो ये फंडिंग हमें वहाँ पे हेल्प कर सकती है।
हमारा काम है रिसर्च वर्क करना। रिसर्च गैप ढूंढने से हमें एक बेस मिलता है जिससे हम मार्केट की कंटिन्यूटी को बनाए रख सकते हैं और नेक्स्ट जनरेशन सॉल्यूशन कैसे बिल्ड किया जा सकता है। तो जो फंड मिल रहा है उससे हम उस चीज़ों को बिल्ड करने में अपने आप को आगे बढ़ाते हैं और उससे हमारा आउटकम्स एक सॉल्यूशन के फॉर्मेट में मार्केट को मिल पाता है।
I feel that if this has been approved and as scholars or as innovators, if we get this funding, we can use it effectively, and even the two-tier system that they have employed with zero to low interest that is there, that would help everybody eventually, and hopefully we can achieve the 2047 Viksit Bharat goal that is there more smoothly, I'd say.
It is very good. It is very glad to hear that it was approved. This will help you a lot in sunrising developments like quantum computing and AI and deep tech, and so this is the fund they will utilize who are the rising technologies, and they will invest here. And they will focus on more and more technologies, and so now we can compare our globally startup ranking is approximately, I may not be it will be correct, it will be a 3. If we can support this funding, it will be the ranking will be increases globally.
Usually what happens is our guide says that, okay, we have to somehow deal with some kind of constraint while we are working on something new. So this budget that we are getting, so it is really going to make us like focus on a wider aspect. We can implement on n number of applications instead of that limited number of applications. So here we are having a more freedom to choose a broad aspect of area. Yeah, so yeah, I think that's a great thing. That's a great thing for the research scholars in India, particularly because R&D need to work a lot so that we can scale up India in the international market.
So this type of initiatives actually, it will be a sparkling thing of things for the deep tech technologies and research scholars and private industries.
I feel that our research scholar will be more benefited. How? That doing better research, we need a lot of amount of money. We need a good facility. We need a lot of equipment. So that fund can be used for the research purpose, and we can go better research. So anything do research, you need a fund. So I feel that scheme will be very helpful for our research to get a better research.
The research scholar, it is we are seeing different type of failure, and we don't have that much equipment, so if we will get this much funding, then it will be very good to conduct different type of experiment and without the fear of failure.
One of the biggest bottleneck is the students are unwilling to take up a project which can be commercialized because they know that they would not be getting basic funding to start their venture. But if they are well aware that this research can lead to a commercializable product, why won't they take a dip and get into this idea of launching a business product?
Finance has been an issue with the startups, and now with this RDI scheme, I am sure that more students will take help from this scheme and turn their ideas into reality through startups. And also those startups which were still struggling for money or funding, this is going to definitely help that.
प्रधानमंत्री जी का एक योजना था कि आत्मनिर्भर भारत के लिए, तो मुझे लगता है कि अगर आत्मनिर्भर बनाना है तो ये एक सबसे अच्छा वो कर सकते हैं कि वो स्टार्टअप को या फिर अटल इंक्यूबेशन सेंटर जैसे यहाँ पर जो स्टार्टअप को बहुत प्रोत्साहित करती है, तो वहाँ के लोगों को फंड कर सकते हैं, जैसा कि वो कर भी रहा है, और वो फंडिंग हम जैसे लोगों को बहुत हेल्प करेगा। एज अ रिसर्च एनालिस्ट मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि रिसर्च में बहुत कुछ स्कोप है और बहुत सारे आइडियाज़ है जो हम लोग दिखा सकते हैं।
जितने भी स्टूडेंट हैं सबको हम ये कहना चाहेंगे कि आत्मनिर्भर भारत की तरफ अपना पैर बढ़ाएं, क्योंकि मोदी जी का यही विजन है कि आत्मनिर्भर भारत बनेगा तभी हम लोग एक्सपोर्ट की दुनिया में अपना नाम कमा पाएंगे। हम लोग एक दिन आत्मनिर्भर भारत को जो उनका सपना है उसको साकार करेंगे।
We have seen Prime Minister Narendra Modi's governance for the past 11 years, that is from 2014, and he has brought about lot of strategies and goals. His involvement and initiatives in education sector and science and India's development and setting a target, in the next decade or next 20 years. So it is going on pretty well, and I'm really appreciative of that.
The Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi ji, this type of schemes and this type of initiatives like Atmanirbhar Bharat and this type of initiatives he was taking means it is like a very appreciating things for about our government, and this will like make a very big impact globally, because this type of if Atmanirbhar Bharat there is a scheme means then all people will get to know what is happening in the India globally, and people will get to know like okay, this our government also like nowadays they are coming to us and they are asking they are wanted to do something, then our people also like our like researchers and other private companies also they will ready to work for like globally change.
For a development decision, we should be a entrepreneur. Okay, we need more and more entrepreneurs in our country so that we'll get a more number of jobs. So as per that, our Prime Minister scheme like Atmanirbhar Bharat by 2047, that is a very good vision, and that tells that by this scheme we will get a more number of startups. It is encourage the private sector to build a more number of startup by which will create a startup environment, and will give a lot of jobs instead of job seeker. So by this way, our people will get employed, and our ecosystem and our living style also be improved.
Atmanirbharta is very, very important. Self-reliance. It has been coming back to us in many forms. If we want to purchase foreign goods, we have to be reliant on them. So if we are Atmanirbhar, of course it is going to be much better for everyone in the country. So it's very, very important.
When other countries denied the supercomputer, it was made in India itself. So Atmanirbhar is not new for us, but it has to get bigger so that none of the technologies we will be relying on from other countries. We will make everything from here.
Honorable Prime Minister has been emphasizing on the Atmanirbhar Bharat. Definitely we need a lot more startups or companies working on this deep tech research and innovation. And for me, the way I see is that it is the time for India to move with not just slow speed but very fast speed to set up the tech companies or develop our own companies in this core strategic areas and deep tech.
I am 100% confident that is very good scheme, and our people will be fully will take the advantage of this scheme, and it will not help only for research scholar and startups. It will be overall help to the ecosystem of our IIT Madras also and throughout country also.
I am very confident about India's research and innovation, and I think lately government has been taking steps in this direction. This current scheme is one more step in the right direction. So definitely, of course, these funds availability will make life different. But one biggest change that I see, that in general Indians are becoming more confident, and therefore I have a great faith in our capabilities, and we will see that we would be able to do a lot more innovation than what we were doing earlier.
The top leader of the country is directly involving in this. It gives more confidence.
We have seen that ANRF is a big move. Our government has already allocated large amount of money, and with this scheme now coming directly from the PM office and Science Ministry, I am confident that we will have a lot more startups utilizing this and gaining the traction.
नए भारत की कहानी एक नए आइडिया से शुरू होती है, और हर आइडिया को अब मिलेगी वो स्ट्रेंथ जो पहले सिर्फ सपना लगती थी। आरडीआई स्कीम का विजन क्लियर है, रिसर्च को लैब से निकालकर रियल वर्ल्ड में लाना, सनराइज सेक्टर्स को सपोर्ट देना, डीप टेक, एआई, क्लीन एनर्जी, बायोटेक जैसे एरियाज को फास्ट ट्रैक करना, और सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट, इंडिया को इनोवेशन के ग्लोबल मैप पर एक पावर हाउस बनाना। ये स्कीम ANRF यानी अनुसंधान नेशनल रिसर्च फाउंडेशन के अंडर आएगी, जिसकी गवर्निंग बोर्ड के चेयरपर्सन खुद PM मोदी हैं। DST नोडल एजेंसी बनेगी और 2-tier फंडिंग मॉडल से डीप टेक स्टार्टअप्स तक डायरेक्ट सपोर्ट जाएगा। एंड लाइक ऑलवेज PM मोदी ने सिर्फ प्रॉब्लम आइडेंटिफाई नहीं की, सॉल्यूशन भी दे दिया है। रिसर्च डेवलपमेंट एंड इनोवेशन स्कीम एक पुश है कि इंडिया का यूथ रेडी है और सरकार उनके साथ खड़ी है। आप बताइए, अगर आपको मिले 1 करोड़ का सपोर्ट, आप कौन सा आइडिया रियलिटी बनाएंगे? Let us know in the comments. Till then, think, act and bring the change.